After my most recent race last weekend, checked the sliders on my boots. They are pretty worn away. The black here at the bottom is the plastic that the slider mounts to. I'm trying to slide this off here to show this. Okay, taking the slider off, you can see it's worn through a hole right here where my thumb is. Unfortunately, it is grinding into the little mount that holds the front on. If I turn it sideways here, oops, get it to focus. It's beveled, and right at that corner that the toe slider, let's look at the toe slider, has a little metal tab that slides into the opening down here to retain it on the front. But I've ground away the corner because I let this thing go too long without replacing it. Once that lets go, there's nothing to hold the front of the toe slider on. Now, looking at the boot, you can see this whole section here is part of the sole of the boot. So Alpinestar can replace this whole assembly here by replacing the sole of the boot. Now my boot's not so worn out that I really need to replace the sole, but if that continues to grind through, I've got a problem because it won't hold the slider on. Costs about $130 to replace the sole of the boot, which is less than a set of boots, granted, but I need to watch this and change these out sooner. Here's the new slider. It is made of metal, which is the only way these things are gonna last on track. So I'm lining up the tab there with the little pocket. Slides into there. So get it roughly in shape. Fits something like that, not quite touching at the back, and just press it back till it slots in over the little hump at the back, and then put the screw in. Instead of using the crappy little Allen wrench that comes with the sliders, I'm just using my little computer screwdriver. Pop it out. Ta-da! New looking boot, or at least functionally new.